The last thing that I'm going to talk about, and this one hurts because they package it up as such a good deal, and it is simply the complete package on Fiverr. So this is when somebody's selling you, hey, I'm going to write your book, I'm going to create your cover, I'm going to make your A+, I'll do your title, your description, and your backend keywords for like $300 or $400. Here's the rule of thumb. If they can do it all, it means they suck at everything. Do not fall for this. Somebody who claims that they're going to be able to do all of these tasks has no idea what they're doing for any of these tasks. When you're hiring a cover designer, you don't want to hire an A+ person. You want like somebody who only focuses on cover, just like A+. When you're hiring somebody to do A+, it's just A+. Before the days of description writing with AI, you just want somebody who knows how to write a book description. Because if they know how to write a book description and they say they know how to do their A+ in the cover, they don't know how to write a book description then, because it's a completely different skill set. So don't fall for this jumbled mess that is Fiverr. And guys, I know this video has been like, Fiverr sucks. I use Fiverr all the time for specific gigs. Like we just approved, I think, 1 or 2 orders for getting UGC content. So video, user-generated videos that we use on our Amazon page as well as in our ads. We just ordered a couple more videos. Like that comes on Fiverr. Like I spend, probably like between $500 to $1,000 a month on different Fiverr gigs. I love Fiverr. The gigs that I talked about in this video, those are the worst things you can be spending your money on. So please don't. And if you need help with any of those things that we talked about in this video, there's a link in the description for the Publish and Profit 3-day challenge. Come join it. You'll learn how to write, publish, and make your first profit from your first book for free. No catch, but you're also going to get access to a free school community where you can ask for help and you can get recommended to freelancers who actually know what they're doing. So that's always helpful too. So instead of watching another KDP video, just come and join the Publish and Profit 3-day challenge and publish your first book.